Well, it's Saturday. Too windy to spray fertilizer, so we're doing a little bit of work for somebody. Their lawnmower's busted, so just need some welding and some other little things here, like airing the tires and crap like that. I don't usually do this, but this is a farm that I farm, and the hired man asked me if I could weld the mowing deck on this thing. So here it is. I did a little bit of welding already, right in there. They're just fractures, nothing really special or anything, but you see there's one starting here. This is a big one right down in the nose, goes all the way around. It's bad there. This here, it's just worn out. Yeah, not worn out, but it's just fatiguing. So what I'm going to do here is probably just run a strap of steel over the top of that. And this fracture there, that needs to be just sealed up there. Here, probably take this off. So what I'll do is I'll get Tim to get I believe a 1/2-inch wrench there and get that off of there. And then I got to do something with that mangled up mess there. I guess they like to hit stuff, I don't know. But anyway, that's what we're doing, and it shouldn't take us too long. I'm just going to have Timothy hold this here so I can get a bead of weld right in there, and it needs to be forced back down. So we'll get Mr. Muscles over here to do this. Yep. Alright, well, they asked me to put this piece on here because apparently this one gets stuck really easy. So I'm just putting the finishing welds on it. I just ground the spot, get the paint off so it's nice and clean. And we're just welding that up. So Tim's going to record while I put the last couple beads on. And I'll do it. But I've used others, and this one is quiet compared to those. Does a good job. I'm going to juice you up a bit here. Alright, I think you got it. That's good. Okay. Tim's got that cleaned up. I'm gonna run a bead of weld down through there. I found some flat iron here it's light enough to go, you know, I don't want to have it too heavy. I got some 1/2-inch stuff over here, but this is like 1/8 or 3, I think this is 3/16, no, this is 1/8 of an inch here. So that'll work. What I'll do is I'll weld it right over the top there, and then I'll heat it and bend it around the corner so that it's nice and tight, and I'll cut it off with the torch and grind it and make it straight. So alright, I'm gonna weld that up, and yeah, that'll be that for that piece. I think I did an okay job of repairing it. The deck was so damaged here in the front corner from being rammed into stuff, so I just made a plate there, wrapped it around, welded it all the way around. And they kept ramming into sidewalks and trees and stuff, so I put that handy dandy bumper on there. Half-inch square stock. Brought it all the way around the corner there, so if he does hit something hard, it won't destroy the deck again. We put this back on here, and we ran a nice new bead down there and fixed the fractures there and there. Oops. We got this one up here, which I think I'm gonna let them do the grinding on it because I don't really have that much time to do it. We're just doing the hard labor here, which is all the welding. And you know, I cut that piece in there to fit, so it would come up around and catch those fractures there, and box welded it all in. Put on his nice new pull me out of the mud clip. So now that we did the work, it's time to have some fun. Timothy, go get the John Deere Zero Turn. First, open this door so I can get out, and we're gonna have a lawnmower race. I got 7 minutes to do it because the battery's running low. Alright, who's the challenger, me or you?
I think me.
Okay, challenger Tim here on an easy track, 54-inch cut, C425 versus this Skag, the old Skag in a bag. Both 23 horsepower, Commander Pro, and this one here is a Briggs & Scrap Iron, 23 horsepower. V-twin technology, basically the same engine. One's a Kohler, one's a Briggs & Scrap Iron. Anyhow, we gotta figure a way to put this camera here. We're gonna have a race. John Deere's victorious. Who won?
Me?
Yeah, John Deere. Dear John. Alrighty. Alright, well, let's go see who can mow more grass. Down to the terrace.
Alright.
Alright, we're neck and neck. Oh my goodness. Man, I'm flat out. Oh well. I don't think I'll be buying a Skag. That John Deere's mine. I'll be returning the Skag anytime. Yeehaw! Well, I gotta say, I like the John Deere way better than this Skag. But I did find something good to use it for. It's called the Vomitizer. Watch this, man. This thing makes corners like nothing else. After about 10 minutes of this, yeah, you could be bulimic, man. It's gonna make you throw up. So anyway, Tim's just having a little fun. We got it all welded up, as you can see, all done. So if you like my video, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you very much.